Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make steamed soft tofu with shiitake mushroom. For the ingredient, I have 1 box of soft tofu, some chopped shallot, some green onion, some shiitake mushroom, 1 tablespoon of abalone sauce, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce that I already mixed together, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, right now I'm going to cut shiitake mushroom. Okay, after cut the mushroom, right now I'm going to prepare on the top of the tofu. Okay, right now I'm going to put the tofu inside the steamer and then cook the tofu for 10 minutes. Okay, right now while I'm waiting for the tofu, so right now I'm going to fry the shallot. Okay, right now in the hot pan, I'm going to add olive oil. And then add shallot inside. And then cook the shallot until it's become golden brown. Okay, right now the shallot is become golden brown, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, and right now I'm going to make the sauce together. Add the soy sauce inside. Sesame oil. And then abalone sauce. And mix it together. Right now I'm going to add fried shallot inside. And then stir it a little bit. Right now the tofu is ready. Okay, right now I'm going to put the sauce on the top. And add green onion. And then add more sauce. Okay, right now the steamed tofu is ready. Okay everyone, right now the steamed tofu is ready. It looks so nice and smells so good. Right now I'm going to try it. For this steamed tofu, you can serve with the steamed rice. It tastes so good. Thank you everyone for watching my recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.